How is everybody doing? It's Pixelid for another exciting YouTube video. Sorry if I took another stupid month to produce part 7. I apologize. It's just that life was in the way and I had so many things to do. But I'm back. Part 7 is here. I hope you're happy. Please stop spamming. Just please. And yeah, if you keep spamming, I'll stop this series. I'm not kidding. Anyways, I am going to show you how to make cameras because that is what you want. I know that's what you want. Man, I made this newspaper segment go on for too long. Okay, now we're in the office. We just flip up our little... I still hate this flipping system. If you want to learn the controls on how to fix the camera, then I'll just put the controls down here for 5 seconds. So this is cam up. And then this, and then these two are the, well, actually these 3 are the controls for going down. Well, bringing the camera down. Well, I mean turning the camera off. Okay, you're done. Okay, now let's save this quickly because I accidentally moved some of the code. And now what we're going to do is we're going to code these cameras in so they properly work. So first we're going to go to cam 1. The beautiful. So we're just drag a new one in there. Just very simple. And we just grab a show right there. And just duplicate this and instead we just put a hide on it. Oh, make sure you're in camera 1 too, because that's important. Then when you're in camera 1, you just make a new message and you just go, cam 1! And then you do this one, and then you just put a new message and you go, cam 2! And then what you're going to do is you're just going to duplicate the cam 2 one for the amount of other cameras there are. So let me count this. And 5 cameras. So we got all these. When I receive cam 1, show. When I receive cam 2, hide. Also, make sure to make the new messages because that is very, very important for the code. So we got cam 1 show, cam 2 hide, cam 3 hide, cam 4 hide, and cam 5 hide. Please do not copy me because, you know, I found a lot of copies. For example, let me just go to my profile on Scratch. Anyways, I just wanted to tell you guys about some of you who have followed me. I've actually reviewed your accounts. I need to review your accounts because there are security reasons, but there's not only just security reasons, but there is also something interesting going on. So, you know how you guys really want to make a Five Nights at Freddy's fan game, right? Well, some of you are doing literally everything I do. You're putting the same characters in, you're putting the same cameras in, the same designs, the same titles, the same static, etc, etc. You're basically trying to make the exact same game. And I just want to say, I mean, it's okay for you to copy me, but you should come up with your own ideas, as I said in part 6 or part 5, I can't remember. But I said in that video that you guys don't exactly need to copy me. You can make your own creative games, such as Five Nights at Beans or Five Nights at Soup. You can choose how many cameras you want to add, what kind of static you want to use, the name of the game, the animatronics that come to kill you. You can make anything about that, but nothing that involves exact, direct designs of my game. I'm just using it to show you how to make a Five Nights at Freddy's game on Scratch. Doesn't matter, I can't speak right now. But I just have to say that you can create your own original creations. You don't have to exactly copy me like a lot of people are doing. But it's okay. It's okay if you copy me. I know what you guys are thinking, and I'm not gonna call you stupid for that. I actually think that you did a really good job, and you did really hard on copying my game. But but you guys can come up with your own original ideas. I'm just saying that. Anyways, back to the tutorial. So you get all these, and you just go. Yeah, you just paste them. You just put them in every single camera because it's a thing. Okay, now that the exact same codes are in in all of the camera sprites. What you want to do is, in camera 1, this is meant to say cam 1 show, the other's meant to be hide. But then when you go to cam 2, you're just gonna switch these around a bit. So you're gonna remove the show off from when I receive cam 1 show, and then you're gonna remove the hide off of when I receive cam 2 hide, and then you just kind of switch it around. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Now I'm gonna go to cam 3 and do the exact same thing. Just gonna remove cam 1, remove hide, and then just switch it over in professional fashion. Okay, let me do another 2 minutes of this. And cam 5 is done with the code. Now what you want to do is you're going to go to your cam buttons. And then what's going to happen is when you click the buttons, it is going to send a code message to switch to that individual camera. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your cam button 1. When sprite is clicked, broadcast cam 1 and then hide, because this is how it works. You just duplicate it to the other ones as well, because we need to do the exact same thing as the cam sprites with the cam button sprites, if you know what I'm saying. Then you just go to your individual cameras, individual cam buttons, and then you just, switch it to your individual camera. Okay, now this is done, full screen. Now let me show you this. Okay, we're in the office, let's flip up our little camera, and as you can see, we're in the normal cam 1. However, in the previous tutorial, when you click these buttons, you couldn't go to any other camera, but now, yeah, for God's sakes, I feel terrible. I forgot I need to remove hide on these things. I am dumb, I am so dumb, because when you click on the buttons, they just disappear. You just click on the buttons and they disappear. Now, where's cam 2? Come back, please, I am done. Anyway, as you can see, we can change the cameras, really cool. Okay, the same better not be with cam 5. Okay, I fixed camera 5 slightly. So as you can see, we can change the cameras. Really cool, really cool, really cool. Okay, thank God that they can disappear. So we go to cam 5, when you flip down the camera, it's gone. When you go to camera 4 and you flip it down, it's gone. So yeah, very interesting. I just showed you guys how to make cameras. Very interesting. It's very interesting. Now, just in case, we're going to also make it seem more realistic. So what we're going to do is we go here, we go here, go here, and you just put your code in for your normal stuff. Duplicate, blah blah blah. Okay, now that that's done, we actually gonna do something cool. So you're just gonna spread these out, and then you're just gonna spread these out, and then you're just gonna do set ghost effect to 0, so you can't see anything on the screen. And then about 0.5 seconds later, but it's going to go back to ghost effect 70, so you can see instead of being blind like I am. And then you just put these in together, and you just put these together, and then they just work. It's cool. So it's realistic, totally works for your static on the camera. So when you flick to a different camera, there's a little glitch. there's a little glitch on these cameras, so when you change to a different camera, there's the static fills up the screen, so it looks like a real proper Five Nights at Freddy's fan game, if you know what I'm saying. Oh, also this map also displays the layout of the characters, so if, for example, the player is in the office right here. It says you, and that black dot is the player. It is currently where I'm standing right now. And let's just say that an animatronic was in cam 4. That means it would be out of that door, down a hallway, and into a random room, which is where cam 4 is. Oh wait, I forgot. I remember who's in cam 4. It's Spider-Bite. Okay, when you think about it, Spider-Bite actually looks cute, sleeping in his little web. That is actually adorable. So yeah, it's really interesting. You got a giant spider and a water bottle chasing you. There's a giant spider coming to eat you, and there's also a little water bottle that's trying to kill you. Why did I come up with this stuff? Oh, also be good to have a night guy, a phone call, because I made an interesting 16-second phone call. He's very interesting. He actually says very explicit things like, I forgot. Oh yeah, since we removed the door mechanic, we're just gonna remove this phone call, and we're gonna make a new one. Because why the hell not? Why the hell not? We can make a new phone call. It's gonna be totally awesome. Hello, I'm your new manager at the water. God damn it! I can't hear anything. Oh god, I got corona. Text to speech. Ooh, woo. Let me quickly do this one thing, and then I promise I'll get to bed. Anyways, this is the night 1 phone call in action. Screw off iMovie or my YouTube video editor. I don't care about you. Okay, so also sorry for the background noise because I'm talking to Bird Boy on Discord while making a YouTube video, which is cool. Anyways, continue with this. So, this game has a lack of, it has a lack of noise. Okay, so the next thing I want to do is to actually design a defense against our little friendly friends. So we're just gonna insert a new camera button. Hello, little friend. What is your... Thank you. I will take that position from you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Then I'm just going to quickly repant it. Spam change position. And perfect! We've got 2 buttons ready to be used. Red button is camera, green button is something special. And then we're just gonna change the script to reboot pad. Yay! When I receive new message, no reboot pad, it's going to give us a reboot pad. Oh, I need to change this name's button. RP. No! How dare you? Stay in your position. RP button. RP button. And then you click it, and then it disappears. Now I just need to design a simple reboot pad. Ta-da! I have my reboot pad all set up and ready to go. Just need to put it into position. That is perfect. And also, yeah, gotta get out of here when there's a reboot pad. Hide. Oh wait, no, that's meant to be for this one. Hide. Yeah, there we go. Now it's gone. Now we're gonna call this reboot pad. And it's time to give this thing some code. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to costumes and also guys, comment what text I should use for the reboot pad. Should I do a pixel for the reboot pad? Or should I just play it normal or go with the sans serif reboot pad? Yeah, definitely. For now, I'm just going to do sans serif because I don't care. Animatronic reboot system. Animatronic reboot system. Bop, bop, perfect. Animatronic reboot system. This is perfect. You can reboot the camera. You can reboot the water bottle. You can reboot Spider Bite. You can reboot the fake phone call. There we go, the reboot system's ready to go. Now all we have to do is just do this and get this air and there we go, that's perfect. So we've got two different costumes, one where there's nothing and the other one there's writing on it. So let's go coding. We're gonna go hide and then it's gonna go back to its classic position. It's going to go back to its classic position. And then when I receive reboot pad, it will go show. And then it just decides to glide to 0 like a boss. Oh, make sure to make this like this and this like this. So it has an effect like this. Perfect. Then we'll just duplicate this button. Make it vertical. And make sure that that's named RP button too. Show. Go for an oil. Bring her all the way down here. Okay, just gonna shrink its size by just like that. Perfect. Okay, maybe we'll just scoot over a little bit more, but that's perfect. Now, when I receive reboot pad, no, that's not what we want. We want broadcast. We want broadcast reboot pad on like a boss does. And then it's when I receive reboot runners reboot pad on. Sprite is clicked broadcast. No pad. And that's how you do it basically. Guide, show, click, disappears, and then you go back, go duplicate this, and then you do no pad, and then just switch to costume. And you get rid of this. Make it. No, reboot pad. We'll set it to that too. Gotta do 394. Perfect. Now let's test this out. Just do that quickly. Okay, let's test it out there. So you click it, the reboot pad shows up, another button appears, you get rid of it, and wow, we got a fully working reboot system, camera, water bottle, spider bite. We can reboot those 3 because I'm smart boy. Oh, we also got to go to the camera button because it might not show up, and you just duplicate this, blah, blah, blah. And then you just do no reboot pad, and ta-da! Now you can flip up the cameras. You flip down the cameras, and then you can just do this, and voila. Oh yeah, I also need to do something. When I receive, I think it's cam, up, no, not show, hide. I think this should make it disappear. Yes, it did! And then I believe it's cam off, which will make it show. Let us see. No, it's not. It's cam down for some apparent reason. Now, let's see if this works. You can flip up the camera, that disappears. You flip down the camera, and then once it's... Yeah, we've got it working! Working systems. This is perfect. I love it. I absolutely love it. Are you still here?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, guys, I just showed you how to make working cameras. You can flip between these cameras and you got a little camera flicker effect, which is cool. And then I also showed you how to make a reboot system, which is pretty sick. And I hope you love it. Also, let me before we do the third and final thing, and that's starting to work on the animatronic AI, I have a sponsor thing, but it's not a sponsor for any business, it's actually a sponsor for my channel.